How to add the top charts music widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button at the top left. From the pop-up, tap on add widget. Then in the widget list, we scroll down and tap on music. Now swipe across to the left until you see it say top charts. In here you can choose a small widget, medium size widget, or a large size widget. And then tap on add widget. And that will get added to your home screen. Now say that you need a subscription to use this widget. And also once you tap on the widget, you can go in here and choose the chart. So tap on that and choose a country for the top chart. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on done to finished. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.